Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to add Breeze agents into contact record overviews. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and then we're going to go into our settings area here on the top right corner, and then on the left hand side we're going to scroll all the way down and go to objects, and then in here I'm going to go to humans. In this case you would see contacts in your portal, but it is the same thing here, humans, and then we're going to go into record customization, and then we're going to go into the default view. And now what I want to do is within the middle section here in the overview section, I'm going to click add a card, and then I'm going to search for Breeze, and then I'm going to add the studio agents card, and then I'll be choosing the call recap agent, and then I'm going to save this, and I'm going to exit out of here, and that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to save and exit, and then what this entails is that I can now go into any contact record in my portal. I'm going to search in this case for Jorge right here, and then I'm going to go with my own record, and then as you can see, if I go to the overview tab here, I have a call recap agent displayed right in all of my contact records, which means that I can basically paste the transcript here, the company name, the contact email address, and run my agent from the contact record, and this now applies to every single contact in my database. And that's pretty much it. So now you no longer have to go into the Breeze Studio area in HubSpot in order to leverage your own agents. You can actually just have them pretty much pasted in the overview section of your contacts and trigger them from there in the moment and for whichever contact you're actually managing right then and then. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.